Hello everyone, so today is 26th of September and let's discuss what we have discussed earlier and what we are expecting next. So as we have discussed yesterday, that is in Nifty, it was option chain was looking weak because on the put side there was not much put writing. But in FinNifty and BankNifty, I told you that yes, put writers are present there and majorly put writing positions were taken, and even today FinNifty expiry tha. So I clearly mentioned that 19,800 put writers are there and below also, okay. And today you saw FinNifty going like staying above 19,800 for the whole day, and finally like it closed to points below, but that's fine. Like I mean, you got the point. And even in the morning also, what happened yesterday, we mentioned that kuch call buyers bhi hai. So some big call buyers were also there, and what they were doing is like call premiums just in the morning were down by almost 25 to 30%. Okay, so what they were doing, they were further buying calls and averaging out their positions. Okay, and that I got to know, and then we bought calls in FinNifty, and also I mentioned it on Twitter as well. Okay, so bought at 70 and then closed at 91. This price went to like more than 95 also, but again I won't take any credit for anything. But yes, it's a 30%, and I think like for the Twitter members, I hope you are happy, and don't forget to put a like for such analysis even in the future. Even the line of control that we discussed today, so it worked perfectly. Like you see, Nifty line of control was working perfectly, that it was giving resistance there. And yes, and talking about the other level, the below level 19,662, that was also giving support. Okay, and talking about BankNifty, these lines were already discussed, so they are working perfectly. If you can see like these levels for which I mentioned even today also on Twitter, so 44,630. so as you can see, 44,630 gave a nice support throughout the day, and there was a dip here, but still the next one gave support, which is at 44,520. so just go and open this chart. So all these lines were there. Okay, so everything is working perfectly. Talking about the members, so members आज मतलब बहुत trades लिए, all went I mean with 100% accuracy. So morning bought 19,800 CE at an average price of 42, and then also like bought 19,000 this 750 CE, which I also mentioned it on Twitter. So closed the 70, bought at 70, closed at 91, and the 42 average one, so closed it at 51. So that was the morning trade, so that I mentioned. And then after that, this was the perfect trade. Okay, so just at the top 1222. So 1222, if you notice here, so Nifty, okay, so just at the top 1222. So this is where 1220. Okay, just right at the top before this sharp fall. And even if you want to go to FinNifty, sorry, yeah, so even if you want to go to FinNifty, so just look at 1220. Okay, so both Nifty and FinNifty, they were giving these signals, and when these type of signal comes in both the indices, so it's a very very strong signal. And just there we took put buying in FinNifty as well as in Nifty. So you can go and check the price also on the chart. So 90,850 PE, okay, bought at 42.50. So here if you look at FinNifty, so FinNifty was at around 19,830. Okay, so then we bought 19,850 PE because that was in the money. Because in the money put options or whatever call options, if you get the right direction, so delta is high, so it gives you a lot of returns in a very short amount of time. Okay, so that was the idea there. And then like I mean consecutively, like I took short positions. 19,700 PE, Nifty bought at 73, and all these at 22.23, as you can see, 12.22.23. So 19,800 CE again, that also FinNifty, that we the C, the call side, we wrote at 35. So these were the one FinNifty put buying, one Nifty put buying, and one call writing in Nifty. And this 35 finally ends at 0, but I finally like closed it at 8 rupees. But yes, why did I close? I मतलब बहुत मिल गया था और टेंशन लेने का मतलब मन नहीं कर रहा था, so I closed it. Okay, so anyways, but still I mentioned at the end that things are going to go down. I'm coming to that. So these were closed at these prices. So 19,850 PE, which was bought at 42.50, was closed at 53. Then 17,700 PE, bought at 73, which was closed at 84. And finally the call writing, as I said, I closed it at 8, but it ends worthless. So these were all the option buying. So the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 option buying, and at the end also another one here. This was also posted on Twitter. That is the writing one, and here also like yes, 1431. Okay, 1431. If you notice here, again Nifty went up, and if you notice here 1431. Okay, so this top here 1431. So the price of 19,850 PE was 33 rupees, and there I told that it will again shoot up, and finally like it went to more than 63 or 65 rupees, and but finally like ends near 52. But yes, it went above 60 rupees as well. So here I mean the price was here for 1431 at 33, and then like just 1431 and then like 1441. Okay, so just in within 10 minutes span it went above 50. So 52 it was trading. So yes, enough fun for the day we had, and so that's why I closed at 8, and then I'm carrying the call writing positions, all the one which I have discussed yesterday's video. So those I'm carrying as positional. Okay, so talking about Bank Nifty. So now let's talk about Bank Nifty. So remember again, tomorrow we don't have Bank Nifty expiry, so it's on Thursday. So again the levels have been discussed on the charts, and things are looking definitely weak. And yes, also this trade went perfectly fine. Like the 69 rupees premium ends at 52 rupees the sum. Okay, so even like one could have taken the benefit if you would have got the direction. So last moment, as we here knew that finally like things are going to go down at 1431, so you could have closed the P leg and added that quantity on the C side to gain more profit. But yes, so anyways, this also gave a nice profit. It was a safe trade because 19,800 P and C both side writers were present. And yes, so if you liked my analysis, don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders, and please do share the Twitter posts, repost them, so that the other traders gets to know about such analysis and they can also take the benefit of it. Like you see, today I have taken 5 option buying. Like I means like when the big guys take, I also go with them. Okay, so I means that. So 5 out of 5, only I'm considering the option buying, no option writing or anything. So 5 out of 5 went correct. Okay, so and all including all the trades, if you see, so it was like 6 to 7 trades, so all went correct. And even guys, this is the same Telegram channel. Okay, so yesterday's analysis, the day before yesterday's analysis, so nothing fake here or anything. If you think that okay still it's fake, so you just concentrate on the posts that are on Twitter. Okay, so like this post which gave 30% in the morning, and this post which also gave decent profit to the writers, so you just consider those. Okay, and yes, so talking about the whole September scenario, so if I add 30% to this for only the Twitter members, so it's 142%. Okay, so 1 lakh becomes 2.42 lakhs. Okay, so that's a huge thing for someone like just getting them for free. Okay, so if you don't appreciate that, so I don't know what will. So with high accuracy we are able to predict such moves. And talking about the money flow indicators also, so if you see that there was a gap created and the gap finally was sold, and so Nifty came down, and again here money flow started going up, and again things went up, as you saw how it went. And similarly for Bank Nifty as well, the gap was there, and so finally Bank Nifty also gave a dip, and then again it went up. So if you want such analysis, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get access to the money flow indicators and a complimentary access to the Telegram channel. And talking about the other data points, so looking at the EOD data, so if you look at here, that is like here, if you see, the most of the positions are closed, so you won't understand anything. But let's first start with the futures. So futures, if you see here, that is Propdex, they are still like overall futures short, and they have closed some of the futures long positions. So Propdex short in futures, FII is obviously short in futures, but some of the FIIs, they have booked some profits in futures short, but still they're closing long positions, and they are heavily shorted in on the futures short side. Okay, so futures overall bearish. Talking about option chain is also bearish, but notice one thing, that from the last 2 days further heavy call writing is not being done, and moreover some call writing positions are also booked. So what I think is that today also what happened, that first the call buyers, they averaged out, took it up, closed, then when they were closing, call writers came into the action. Okay, so that's like they are taking it intraday. Okay, so they are taking most of the call writing positions intraday. So that's why like you won't see that EOD data call writing is not being done, and you will think that now market will shoot up or anything, but no. So what they're doing is they're taking intraday positions, and they have done some put writing. You look at the difference, you will understand. Don't just look at the minus sign. So overall their call writing positions are heavy. And also talking about option buying, so option buying, call buying, they have closed today, both Propdex and FIIs. Put buying, so put buying somewhat closed, but still some put buying are still there. So the overall analysis is saying that because even if you look at the put writing, so put writing also, it's a good quantity, so market won't just sharply like fall. So might be like we will see both the side moves, or if market has to fall, then they will either be buying huge amount of puts during intraday and saving their put writing positions, or closing their put writing positions and as well as put buying. Okay, so they won't do the just close their put writing positions and market will fall. Okay, so they will either do one thing, that is if they see that like the retail traders are not writing puts. Okay, so they have to exchange those positions with someone. So if that is not happening, what they will do, they will buy heavy amount of puts and save their put writing positions. Okay, and yes, now you would say that how they will buy heavy amount of puts. So that can be easily done. They will take the market up, and like what happened today also, they took the market up, and then when everyone was buying calls at the top, they shorted. Okay, so something like that, they will deceive you, they will manipulate the market to exchange their positions, and yes, and that's the idea. And so overall again I'm still bearish, and I have talked about the levels, because this is monthly expiry. So again the futures positions are also going to expire, so let's see what they do during the intraday. But ultimately, like Bank Nifty is taking support here. Once it breaks, then we can see 44,400 again, and if that breaks, 44,288. And talking about Nifty, if it breaks 19,662, again it goes to 19,610, and see if it breaks 19,610 or not. But yes, but majorly the analysis you have to do now during intraday. Okay, because the option the EOD data is of course bearish, but still the exact move, like here we captured this exact move in both Nifty and Fin Nifty. How we got the signal? Okay, so you have to catch such signals and get these levels, the line of controls. As I mentioned, like you won't be able to get them easily, like they are not multiple support or resistance if you look at the chart. Okay, so they are the concentration of the money flow. So majorly the concentration today was done here, so that's why like you see that it's perfectly working as a resistance. Okay, so yeah, so if you like my analysis, don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders and traders group, so that others can also benefit from such analysis. And thanks for watching, keep watching and keep trading, and see you in the next one. And also, if you want such analysis, follow me on Twitter and subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily such analysis. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one.